What up, guys? Soupy the Tool Addict. Woo! Today, we've got a little bit something different for you, and it is a beautiful, beautiful night out here in Iowa. But I figured I would show you something because I had a little bit of an air conditioning problem, and we're going to show you how to fix an AC problem at your home with just basic tools. And we're going to use Klein today because this is part of the reason why I bought them. It's going to work out fantastic, so stick around. Check it out. Different content, and you know, it's just something that happened to me. So I got home here late, and it's really nice, and I thought, you know what, this is a perfect time to fix this. So here we go. All right, so the first step in this diagnostic problem, maybe I need to turn this light off. Well, I see that better. Is we're gonna look here. Stay on, little feller. See, I have the temperature set to 72. The inside temperature is 78, so clearly we're not having any AC. So we're going to go outside, and I'm going to show you how to diagnose this and fix the problem. All right, never mind the neighbor's barking dogs. You can hear the air conditioner's humming and the fan's not moving. So what we're going to do is we're going to reach the screwdriver in here, flick that, and now you notice it's going to start spinning. That tells me right there that either we have an issue with a capacitor or a bad wire. I've already ordered a capacitor. Show you what that is. So this is the capacitor that we've ordered. Capcom capacitor. I'm going to kill the breaker here. Luckily I have a breaker on the outside of my box. I'm going to kill the breaker. We're going to open up the panel. This is a Goodman air conditioner. We're going to show you exactly how to fix this. Alright, so we're going to take out this screw. Take out this screw. Thought I was going to have to worry about traffic being loud. No idea it was going to be the dogs. Set this guy up there. Just 2 screws to remove this panel. Voila. I'm going to drop the panel down. Set that aside, and that shows us our canister. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I've shut the breaker off. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Appreciate you guys checking it out. Make sure to comment down that comment box. Let me know what you think of it. I'm learning every day. I'm a mechanic by trade, but I have HVAC, plumbing guys, electrical guys, and they're the ones that suggested a lot of these Klein tools. I did a video on these. Really liking these things. They're not a sponsor of the channel, but it's definitely something good for home use. Also, 10,000 subscriber giveaway. That's right, I'm doing a 10,000 subscriber giveaway. I'm going to gold plate this bad boy. If you're publicly subscribed, your name's going to get put in the hat, and you can win this lucky bad boy. Going to be a few other people I'm going to give away some things to, so you want to stick around and check that out. Hit that subscribe button, all right? Let's let you get back to the video now. Switch the breaker off here. I'm going to discharge the capacitor by crossing these. And then I'm going to remove the screw and remove the capacitor, because these have a tendency to hold spark. Now, I'm not an electrician, so I'm not condoning anybody to do this. I'm just showing you a quick and easy way to fix your AC. See if we got to take this all the way out or not. All right, let you watch me take this apart. That way I can work a little bit freer. Hopefully not drop a screw. I'm going to double check the discharge on these. I don't want to get zapped. These capacitors tend to hold power. Beautiful part. Magnetic screwdrivers. So you'll notice on the top of these, they have little numbers, whatnot, or names. It says Herm, Fam, and it's got a C. So we're going to follow the corresponding ones to switch over here. So I'll pull these off, switch them over. Starting with the first, which is the Fam. And then the next is going to be the Herm. And then obviously the last two are going to be the easiest ones, because they're going to be all that's left. Red going on the inside, purple going on the outside. Part of the reason I'm recording this is that way I can make sure I didn't goof it up. I think it would only be probably smart if we test this out real quick, like, just to make sure. And there you go. She works. All right, to summarize the video, once again, Klein screwdriver. This is the 14-in-1 adjustable. Is a great screwdriver that can help you, literally save you probably, I mean, $14 for the capacitor. Ordered it online. Capacitor got here in 2 days. Obviously, you don't have to be an HVAC technician to get that. It's about 90 degrees here today. I think the high was 88, so it's a little warm. As you can tell, I got a little bit sweaty, but I'm not an electrician. None of this is stuff that I would attempt at home on your own without professional. So just my experience. So that way there's no there's a disclosure on all this stuff. So you know, I just definitely love this little screwdriver for home use. Obviously not a plug, they're not a sponsor, but definitely wanted to show that its capabilities with its multi-bit version and all that stuff could help you guys or help you fix a problem. I think the screwdriver was 20 bucks, so I mean it basically just cost me less than $30, or yeah, a little over $35 to fix the whole problem. Henry, what do you think? Was it worth it? I think Henry thinks it was worth it. Henry, you like it? Do you like it? I don't know if you guys can see him or not. You like it, Henry? I think Henry likes it. Anyways, guys, that's the video I got for you. Hope you enjoyed it. Something different. Just a beautiful night. During the evening, Thursday night, during the evening, thought I'd record this video and show me fixing my air conditioner, because I fix everything. Remember, if women don't find you handy, if they don't find you handsome, they'll always find you handy. Anyways, guys, like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell. Remember, keep your hands dirty and your money clean. Thanks for watching.